Welcome back to my open air garage here today. I am working on the wife's Jeep again. I am replacing the headlights that look a bit hazy. They're not yellow like they typically become, but these ones are definitely pretty hazy. So I'm going to swap them out with some new ones. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're only going to need one tool, and that is an 8mm with your ratchet. You're going to start by opening your hood and locate the two obnoxiously long screws that sit in the center of each headlight. Go ahead and remove those screws. And then once those screws are out, this is the most difficult part of the job. You have to do some rude yanking and pulling on that headlight housing just to get it out. And watch your fingers because you might nick them. Once those headlight housings are out, now is a good time to replace your headlights or your turn signals or your parking lights if you need to, because it's right there, nice and easy. Go ahead and swap everything out. So I bought some aftermarket headlights and they look great, except for the fact that these don't have adjustability screws like the factory housings do. So I tried to transfer them and it doesn't look like I can. But there is a 8mm on the backside where I can adjust them as I need, and I will probably end up doing that later once I get these in and against the wall so I can check their height. Tighten down the headlamp housing using that big long screw, and then take the film off very last. I did that because I didn't want to scratch the lamps in case I did have to drop them or bump them or whatever. I had at least a little bit of protection. But I'll tell you what, man, this looks so much better with some crystal clear lenses. So if you like this video, please like it. If you want to see more of this Jeep's overhaul and lifespan going on, feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.